Hi, I am Aima. You welcome in my YouTube channel. Today topic is motorcycle accident. Today topic is motorcycle accident. What does a motorcycle accident liar do? The moment, horse, and the days after a motorcycle accident are some of the most stressful time in the personal life at a time when you should be able to focus on the healing from your injuries and the recoverings. You are dealing with medical bill, lost wigs and calls from the insurance companies that do not have your best interested at heart. A lawyer can help, but most people cannot full understand what motorcycle accident lawyers do. In truth, a motorcycle accident lawyer can be the difference between a low bells to stubables and no settlement and getting full compensation for your damage. If you were injured in a motorcycle accident that was not your the fault, you will want to reach out to a lawyer as soon as possible to schedule a free consultations with one of the experienced motorcycle accident lawyer at Johan for associate call us at 4 04 and 44 on the contact us online today. What is a motorcycle accident lawyer? A motorcycle accident lawyer is a type of the personal injury lawyers. Personal injuries lawyers help those who have been injured and accident seek physical recovery for their damages like medical treatment, permissions, medications, lost weeks, loss of the earning capacity, vehicle damage, and the pain and the sufferings. Personal injury lawyers specialize in the truth law according to the Glorious Codes uh, 51 1. Oral is the unavailable violation of the private legal right other than the more branch of the contracts experience of the employed on the violation of a public duties where the victim sufferings damage if someone cases an auto accident that have been negligent. In other words, they have allotted their legal duty to us in a way that does not harm a motorcycle's accident fell under the specifies of the tortoise law. If a personal injuries lawyer specializes in the helping victim when compensation of the motorcycle accident, they are also known as a motorcycle accident lawyer. Their goal is to make the accident victim whole again through companions injured get to the strong arms call. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.